I'm sharing my secrets to a mask that will lighten your skin tone by 3 shades. Get ready to see your skin glow with simple and natural methods. Let's try it together. Hello, dear friends. I hope each of you is having an amazing day. Today, I want to share a mask recipe that will brighten your skin tone, giving it a radiant and vibrant look. Who wouldn't want a clearer, glowing, and smooth complexion, right? Plus, there's no need for expensive or hard-to-find ingredients to prepare this mask. Just a few natural ingredients from home will give us perfect results. I think many of us want our skin to look healthier, and doing it naturally makes it even better. As we prepare the mask, let's chat a bit about taking care of our skin. Spending too much time in the sun, skipping sunscreen, eating an unbalanced diet, and dealing with stress. All of these can dull our skin's radiance, making it look uneven, pigmented, and tired. If you notice any of these signs on your skin, then these proven masks are just for you. Let's watch and apply them together. By taking timely care of our skin, we can prevent issues from developing further. Following these tips will help us take a step toward beautiful skin. When you apply the mask to your face, gently spread it with slow, soft movements. Leave it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. You'll see an immediate glow and brightening effect. Don't forget to share your experience with me in the comments. I can't wait to read each of your thoughts. After applying the mask, if you feel a bit of dryness, be sure to apply a light moisturizer. If you don't have a moisturizer, you can use any type of oil to hydrate your skin. This will help keep your skin soft and supple. This mask isn't just for your face. You can also use it on other darkened areas of the body, like your neck, elbows, hands, and knees. This simple method can help reduce tone differences across different parts of your body. Dear viewers, as you continue using these masks, you'll notice your skin tone gradually brightening, and your skin will start looking more vibrant and radiant. It's so rewarding to see these small but beautiful changes in yourself every day, isn't it? Achieving these results with natural methods not only boosts self-confidence, but also brings a sense of comfort. When you do this with love and care, it's even more exciting to watch your skin glow each time. Your feedback and every little change you notice will motivate both you and me on this beauty journey. You can share this beauty secret with your friends who notice the change in you, so they too can benefit from it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this simple and natural mask with others, and leave a comment sharing your experience. If you also know any masks that you've tried and liked, please share them in the comments so we can all benefit from different masks. If you loved this mask, I'll keep sharing more unique and interesting beauty secrets. Thank you so much for watching.